Hello and welcome to this chatbot presentation, made by NOIS Information System, or NOIS for short. This presentation will demonstrate the features, as well as instructions on how to use them. Before we get into the main features, we will cover very briefly about the user interface. To collapse or expand the left-hand side menu, we can click on this button to the top of the page, next to our company's logo. Next, whenever we click on a tab to access a feature, there is a message to the top right of the page that explains the general information of the current feature. To hide this message, simply click on the box above the message. Finally, we can toggle dark mode or light mode by clicking on this icon to the bottom left of the page. Now on to the main features. Starting off, we have NOIS GPT. In broad terms, this feature is essentially ChatGPT trained on our company's data, meant for customer service. As such, the chatbot can answer any questions related to the company NOIS or New Ocean Automation System, NOIS. For example, I'll ask the chatbot, what services does NOIS offer? And the chatbot will return an answer. The chatbot can also be trained on more data to answer questions related to other fields or even your own business, for instance. Next is the Chat with your Documents section. This feature allows you to upload one document of your choosing, limited to docx, text, PDF and PPTX files only, and have the chatbot analyze or summarize the file content pertaining to your query. For this demonstration, only files smaller than 20 megabytes or documents with 6,000 words maximum are accepted. These limitations do not reflect the actual application. Back to the demonstration, I'll use this file, sample.pdf, which is just a simple PDF file with some text, as an example. To upload the file, I just need to click on this paperclip icon next to the chat box and select the designated file. Now, my question will be, what is the content of the document? And I'll receive an answer based on the document content. The next feature we will cover next is Chat with Structured Document. This tab deals mainly with questions related to an open-source synthetic dataset to showcase the chatbot's basic data analysis capabilities. Here is a preview of the dataset, shown using Microsoft Excel. Back to the chat interface, suppose I ask the bot, what is the total net sale of the brand Nestlé in January? The response is 9,236.87. We can verify the result by using the pivot table function in Excel. As you can see, this answer is factual when compared to Excel's pivot table query. Moving on, we have the Chat with this web page tab. This feature works similarly to the Chat with your Documents tab, but it is used with web pages instead. To chat, simply provide a link to the web page by clicking this icon to the left of the chat box. I'll use the Guardian's online newsletter as an example. Then I'll ask, what are the current headlines? To receive a response. We can verify the accuracy of the chatbot's response by visiting the Guardian's webpage. Finally, we reach the Wine Information tab. This feature is for querying various kinds of wine based on their attributes, such as types of wine, red, sparkling or port, their acidity, food pairing options, vintages, etc. This information is from an open-source wine dataset, shown here. Returning to the chatbot, an example query we will use is, I'm looking for a kind of red wine, with medium acidity. That's all. The phrase "that's all," or any similar phrases, tells the chatbot to stop asking for additional information and output the resulting wine list. We have covered all the relevant features of this chatbot, aside from the Generate Images tab, which is still a work in progress. For any questions, please contact NOIS supports using the contact information found at our website nois.vn. Thank you for listening.